In this video, I am going to show you how to install Google Chrome on your Roku TV. Unfortunately, Google Chrome is not available in the Roku channel store, so we will use a workaround to access it through screen mirroring from your mobile device. First, ensure your Roku TV is powered on and connected to the internet. You will need to have Google Chrome installed on your Android or iOS device. To start, open the Google Play Store or the App Store on your mobile device and download Google Chrome if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the app to ensure it's functioning properly. Next, we will enable screen mirroring on your Roku TV. On your Roku remote, press the Home button, then navigate to Settings. Select System, and then go to Screen Mirroring. Enable the screen mirroring feature by selecting either Prompt or Always Allow. Now, on your Android device, swipe down to access the Quick Settings menu and look for Screencast or Smart View. If you're using an iOS device, swipe down from the upper right corner to open the Control Center and tap on Screen Mirroring. Select your Roku TV from the list of available devices. Once connected, open Google Chrome on your mobile device. The app screen should now be mirrored on your Roku TV, allowing you to browse the web directly on the big screen. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.